Most developers assume high-quality voice AI requires serious hardware, massive cloud infrastructure, dedicated GPUs, or expensive API subscriptions. This table compares the requirements of legacy voice AI against a new engine called Inflect Micro V2. It shows you can now run equivalent high-fidelity inference entirely locally on a standard laptop processor. We can see the speed of this lightweight engine in action. This terminal log highlights an 8.4-second execution time to generate a full audio payload on a standard machine. Because the model footprint is smaller than a typical MP3 file, private, free, and local voice generation is now accessible to anyone, completely offline. To set this up, navigate to the model repository. Before downloading, it is good practice to check the engine's parameter size to ensure it fits your hardware. Looking at the Hugging Face directory, the PyTorch model.bin file takes up exactly 37.53 megabytes of storage. The first step in local AI development is creating an isolated workspace. This prevents new libraries from creating dependency conflicts with existing local AI tools. Open your terminal and execute this Conda create command to establish a clean virtual environment. Once the environment is active, install the requirements. This log shows the successful installation of the Hugging Face Hub package, which is necessary to pull open-weight models. Next, run the Python script to trigger the initial model download onto your local machine. The model operates on under 10 million parameters. This terminal screen confirms the 37.5 megabyte download completes in seconds, allowing you to move directly into local development. Switch over to your code editor to assemble the minimal Python pipeline required for text-to-speech. You need to define the target text string variable, which tells the engine exactly what to synthesize. This specific architecture uses deterministic seeds. This means you will get the exact same voice profile and pacing on every single execution. Return to your active terminal session and execute the script using the command python run_tts.py. To track how efficiently this runs, open a system monitor alongside the generation process. This split screen captures the execution. The system monitor indicates minimal CPU core utilization and zero GPU activity, proving the model relies exclusively on standard processor power. Processing audio at 6 times faster than real-time on a standard CPU makes deploying AI agents to edge devices and consumer hardware highly viable. Navigate to your project folder to locate the resulting audio payload on your disk. Opening the file properties shows a 24 kHz sample rate, confirming the technical crispness of the output. Small models often struggle with complex grammar constraints. We can test this by inputting a text string packed with heavy punctuation. Looking at this audio waveform, the distinct flatline pause corresponds exactly to the heavy punctuation in our script. The engine maps text boundaries to natural audio breaks without manual timing adjustments. Specialized machine learning jargon is another common failure point that trips up lightweight voice engines. Here we pass acronyms like CUDA, VRAM, and ONNX into the script. The engine accurately pronounces each term without requiring phonetic spelling overrides. We can also test the underlying pronunciation logic by feeding it an uncommon global location, like Ljubljana, which it processes cleanly. Next, we evaluate the model's capacity for emotional weight by providing a sentence that requires dramatic pauses and rhetorical rhythm. This dynamic waveform highlights an extended silence gap engineered by the model. It automatically slows down and utilizes silence for dramatic effect. Maintaining natural cadence and phonetic accuracy within a 37 megabyte file demonstrates that high-quality output no longer scales linearly with model size. To put this capability in context, we compare the audio you just generated against massive closed corporate architectures. This bar chart displays the results of the blind TTS preference benchmark. It shows Inflect Micro V2 outscoring key corporate competitors, successfully beating architectures 10 times its size. You have successfully engineered a high-fidelity, completely offline AI pipeline using the exact processor already inside your laptop. This capability allows developers to build robust machine learning applications locally. Relying exclusively on expensive, centralized cloud platforms for voice generation is no longer a strict requirement.